Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Pinterest sync up problem on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here and you just go down, then you click here on apps, then it's going to take you to apps window and you just go down here to looking for Pinterest app here in this window. We will go to found Pinterest app, we will click, then it's going to take you to next window here and you just click here on full stop, then you click here on OK and you just go down, then you click here on storage, then you come to storage window and all you have to do, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you just go to Play Store. Here we will go to Play Store, we will click and you go to looking for Pinterest app and it's going to show for you like this, and you just click here on update and it's going to update with you and fix that problem you have. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you in next video.